Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi, and this morning I was getting ready to clean some brushes, so I thought why not show you guys how I clean my brushes super easy and quick. Even a 2-year-old could do this. If you want to see how I clean my brushes, just like every day, not deep clean, but just kind of like get the pigment off so that I can continue to use them on a daily basis, then stay tuned and keep watching. Mwah! Alright, so before I start cleaning my brushes, I'm going to show you the solution that I use. I've been using the solution for maybe about 3-4 years now, and I get mine from Amazon, and it's this one. It is by Cinema Secrets, and I got this ginormous bottle maybe like a year ago, and I still have some left. This size is usually I think $30. I am going to link the product down below, so if you want to check it out, you can go straight to it and just look into it, okay? But the reason that I like this one is because it's quick drying, it gets the job done, it cleans it, and it leaves them dry so that you can go back in and just use them right away. I mean, it doesn't get better than that, so I really like this. It smells, to me it smells like a little bit chemically and vanilla. I know it's weird, but it's like a mixed combination of the two. And this is just a quick description of what it says. This quick drying, rinse-free formula will clean, condition, and deodorize both natural and synthetic makeup brushes while leaving a pleasant vanilla scent. Oh, it does have vanilla. Can also be used to clean all traces of wax, liquid, and powder from spatulas, palettes, metal tools, and implements. So yeah, I really like this one. So I'm gonna show you how I use this baby. But I usually use a little cup like this, or you can use something like this for the bigger brushes. Now I'm gonna put a little bit into each one. This one's gonna be for the larger brushes, this one's gonna be for the small brushes. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of solution in there like that, and a little bit there. A little bit goes a long way, guys. Okay, so here are my dirty babies. So I'm just gonna grab one by one and do this. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see this brush right here. Come on, focus! Focus! So I'm going to dip it right here, just like that, and swirl it around in this thing, and guys, it is freaking clean. You see that? Done. So I'm gonna take another one, dip it a little bit, like smallest amount, and swirl around. Voila, done. And this is how the cookie crumbles, people. I don't have time to wash them super deep cleanse. Now from time to time I do that, but for the most part I try to just disinfect them and clean them as I go, just like that. Just dipping just the tip of the brush, swirling around, and it is clean and ready to go and dry. So I'm gonna be here, show you. Okay, so I just went through that little bit of amount that I used, that I poured in, and these are all the brushes that I was able to clean with just that small amount. So I'm going to go into this one now. I was gonna leave this one for the larger brushes, but I think I can do both with this because I don't have that many left. This was like black because of the black shadow. Now for the bigger brushes, this one is a under eye powder brush. This is the by Morphe. I'm just going to take the tiniest amount, just like that. Then once again, swirl it. If that little area gets dirty, then I just flip the towel. And look, it is beautiful. Yes, beautiful again. Do this large one. Done. Alright guys, so that was just a quick demo of how they're falling everywhere, how I clean my brushes super quick and easy using the Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. The larger brushes, I had just washed them, so that's why I didn't have too many to wash, and then I still have some eyeshadow brushes that were already clean. But the big brushes, the ones that are like powder and foundation, I do go in with soap, usually by the Beauty Blender soap. I really like that one, or any white soap that you have at home will do. I go in maybe once a week and rinse those out, clean them really good. But for the daily basis, for the most part, this is the technique that I use. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my page, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime there's a new video. And until next time, remember that the world is your canvas, so make it pretty. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye. Always dropping stuff. God. My strap was down. What the fuck? Yay! Good job, baby. Say bye.